The shift to next-generation propellants, or NGPs, is changing the future of pressurized metered dose inhalers. Regulatory pressure is rising, and patient need is not going away. pMDIs remain essential for millions of patients. The task now is to reduce propellant impact without compromising performance, access, or confidence. Kindeva helped invent the pMDI in 1956. In 1995, it launched the world's first CFC-free salbutamol inhaler. Today, that same expertise is shaping the next transition. At our UK headquarters in Loughborough, Kindeva brings development, analytical support, and commercial manufacturing together in one integrated center of excellence, spanning over 150,000 square feet. Here, teams support formulation development for both suspension and solution products, helping partners manage the complexity introduced by different propellants and devices. SprayTech and Oxford Lasers help measure plume geometry and spray patterns, giving developers the data they need to manage bioequivalence and protect therapeutic performance during the move to NGPs. Kindeva is the first CDMO offering commercial-ready capability alongside infrastructure for these new propellants. Kindeva also supports integration of valves, dose counters, actuators, and packaging systems, helping optimize performance, manufacturability, and patient experience. These NGPs can reduce global warming potential by up to 99.9%. Kindeva is helping partners make that move while protecting product performance. This transition is not only about propellants. It's about ensuring patients continue to have inhalers they can use consistently, correctly, and confidently. From pilot volume filling to high-speed commercial lines, our cold fill and pressure fill systems manage large production demands. With formulation, testing, CMC support, and manufacturing connected under one roof, Kindeva helps reduce risk and move programs forward with greater clarity and continuity. Kindeva defined the pMDI. Now we're redefining its future.